News, my lovely, wonderful people. Something very disturbing is happening. You won't begin to imagine. As we are speaking right now, the governor of Edo State, yes, Senator Monde Okpebholo, they are thinking of his replacement. Oh. Yes, you just heard me. Replacement. Oh. So Edo Central ex-commissioner, Ikpe declares interest to replace Senator Monde Okpebholo. You might be wondering, Madam, what's happened? What they want to replace her? You see what happened the other time now. Although APC don clarify say the governor no be thief. E say Obaseki and Ego Dalo they don see billions, so they know how to pronounce. I say na dem be thief. Say the governor dey innocent. That's why I no sabi pronounce billions. However, they are thinking of replacement quite quickly. And the Edo Central ex-commissioner, he don declare interest, saying ready to replace the Senator Monday Okpebholo. Now the matter wey dey ground be this. So now we will let you know right now. This one's serious. So anyway, my people, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Former Commissioner for Solid Mineral Oil and Gas, Edo State, Honorable Joseph Ikpe, declares interest in the Edo Central senatorial seats recently declared vacant by the Senate National Assembly. Recall that the Edo senatorial seat was previously occupied by the governor of the state, His Excellency Monde Okpebholo, in keeping with the tenor of the 1999 Nigerian Constitution as amended. The Senate President Godwin Akpabio, after considering the letter submitted to the Senate by Senator Monde Okpebholo, who they have declared the senatorial seat vacant, by the development, a by-election would be conducted by the Independent National Electoral Commission to elect a new senator. Briefing newsmen in Benin, Honorable Ikpe said that he has remained an order and a proper member of the All Progressive Congress APC, who has contributed to the growth of the party immensely to achieve its potential as a formidable party in the state. He further said that his absolute belief in the humanitarian service to the people influenced his decision to run for the vacant senatorial position. API added that he is a tested and proven political leader who has discharged his leadership responsibility towards achieving the desired result for the people. The senator hopefully maintained that his wealth of experience, especially having served in various and different capacities in the state, has put him above other aspirants for the position. I stand today to present myself as an honorable servant to contest the seat for the Edo Central Senatorial District in the National Assembly, which was declared vacant recently. And all who knows me and my background knows I'm a member of the Edo State Universal Basic Education Board during the Chief Lucky Benedio administration. I was a commissioner under Gordon Obaseki's administration. I was the chairman of Edo Central. So I have served in different senatorial positions, a commissioner under Gordon Obaseki's administration. I was the chairman of Esan Southeast local government area in Edo State. With these experiences that I have had all along, I know I'll be able to bring a good development to the people. He contested and says all he needs is the support of the people. So you don't hear him. They won't fee the governor's seat, but not be the governor's seat. You get me now? It means the position the governor was occupying before. You get me now? And that position the governor occupied before. That position, so now they won't fee. It used to be a senator. Used to be a senator, was supporting the people of, the Edo Central people. Now he be their senator. But however, now matters don't change. He don't become governor. While he was doing that, he contested for the senatorial position and he won. That be win. Not be small thing. As he wins, so that place now they don't declare him vacant. Now Godwin Akpabio now declare him vacant, So means say we say they call her INEC need to conduct another election. So another person that talk say well say, don't be small serve, he serve the party. You say he do everything for the party. Oh. He say he don't do many things. He say so if he say he get all the experience when is needed for him to be able to become the senator to represent Edo Central. So he don't present himself. They call by election. They'll call one now. They'll call pick another person to take over the position. So now those matters now they on ground. So my people, you just see am for yourself. Now waiting dey happen be this. So and we just want to make everybody understand and say we see. Not be say they won't take governorship position from your hand. Do you get me now? No. Now they want to say now say they want to occupy the space for Senate because now Edo Central not get anybody with the represent them. We will get anybody they represent us. Any senatorial district even get any representation. I beg you, my people. Nobody they represent anybody. Now God they represent all of us. Because all these people they see for years, so now their own personal self they look after. They not care for any other person, and it's a very very bad thing. I can assure you for free. If I see something bad, trust me, it's bad. You understand me now? You get me now? It's a very very bad thing. But now wetin dey happen be this one, which should not make sense at all, because as you dey see things, so things supposed to be better. However, wetin we dey see now a different ball game altogether. First we say people say they're not supposed to reach position, and I call they take position, I call they do one kind of thing. It just honestly it doesn't make sense. However, these are the people we have. You get me now? Yeah. These are the people we have. Honestly, it doesn't really make sense. Because these people, they will come, for instance, you don't hear her now, humble servant. When you go turn to Lord, you no go believe. Even you will say, be like, now you the help. You come, see, you go queue to take see and to take explain to her and say, well, say, I beg go talk to the government regarding this road. You cannot even see your senator to represent you. It's a sad case, so. Because the cotton law, they call it spray money. Now you call they serve them, nobody won't serve you. You see how bad these things are. Exactly. The table can't flip. Who is supposed to they serve? They not they serve anything. No. In fact, they come to be served. Yeah, that's how bad it is. You know, that's how bad it is. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless. Have a fantastic and a lovely day. From us, it's bye for now. Bye-bye.